Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? This picture mainly provides that the ship lobs bar. The first image clearing show that left side is the ship and middle point is the A2, B2 and D2. In addition, the second image, the we can see the A2, C2, D2 and the right side is the ship log. The third image clearing show that the right side is the shaped and B2 the clearing show that the image is the log. In conclusion, you can see there are different types of color like blue, yellow, red, purple, and also the black, orange, green. This image overall show that the shape chamber clearly log.